Hello everyone, welcome to Legacy IAS. We'll be continuing with our average. Okay, now we were doing PYQs. Let's continue. So this is a PYQ from CSAT 2020. Now it says consider the following data, find the value of X. Okay, average marks in English for girls is 9, for boys it is 8. Overall it becomes 8.8. Okay, then similarly average marks in Hindi for girls it is 8, for boys it is 7. Overall we don't know. This we have to find. So can you see, we don't know the number of girls or boys, correct? So that means there are variables. Girls, number of boys, all that is a variable. Now you need to directly find X. Okay, now that means something must cancel out because you cannot get the exact values of G and B, correct? So something must cancel out such that you get a ratio which gives you the value of X. This is just general understanding. Now you can pause and try, or I'll start. So average marks in English for girls is 9, for boys is 8. Now see, let number of girls is equals to G and number of boys is equals to B. Number of girls is G, number of boys is B. Now average marks in English. Now if you think what will be the average marks in English, okay, whatever the, here you should get sum of marks scored by girls plus sum of marks scored by boys divided by number of girls plus number of boys, correct? This will give you average marks, average of the whole class in English or in Hindi, whatever numbers you are using. Now let's see what is this. So sum of marks scored by girls will be equal to what? Their average is 9, correct? Now sum is equals to average into number. So average is 9, number, how many girls are there? We don't know, we have assumed it to be G. So I write 9G plus number of boys. Similarly boys have got average as 8 and number of boys is B divided by number of girls G, number of boys. Now according to the question, this is given to be 8.8. This you understand? This is the average for English that is given. Now you send G and B here, so this becomes 8.8 G plus 8.8 B is equal to 9G plus 8B. Now I can send 8B here and 8.8G there. So what I'll get, 8.8 minus 8, I will get 0.8B is equal to, there 9 minus 8.8 is 0.2G. If you cancel them out, you can clearly see G is equals to 4B, correct? Decimal you can remove, then 2 and 8, so 1 time 4 time. So girls, number of girls is equals to 4 times the number of boys. Once you get this, then this becomes easy. For Hindi I have to calculate, it will be same as before. Now sum of marks scored by girls will be what is their average? 8. Number of girls I don't know, so I put it G. Sum is equals to average into number plus boys is 7B divided by total is G plus B. Now this I have to find. Now how can I find this? Simply I will use in place of G I will write 4B. So this entire terms becomes B by B, and then B will cancel out. I'll get the value of X. So this I have to calculate. So this becomes what? Now G is equals to 4B, then 8G is equals to, if I multiply both sides by 8, so what I'll get? I will get 32B plus 7B upon G is what? G is 4B, so this is 4B plus B, correct? 32B plus 7B upon 4B plus B. So what you get? You get 39B divided by 5B. B से B cancel out, and 39 by 5. 39 by 5, how many times this will go? This will go 7 times, correct? 35, then 4 will remain point, and with 4 it will go how many times? It will go 8 times. That is 40. 40, it will go 8 times. So answer becomes 7.8. Okay, so this is what you, how you have to do this. Then next question. Yeah. Okay, now next question is Sunita cuts a sheet of paper into 3 pieces. This that. Okay, you can pause and try. Okay, now Sunita cuts a sheet of paper into yeah, Sunita cuts a sheet of paper into 3 pieces. Length of the first piece is equal to average of the 3 single digit odd prime numbers. What are 3 single digit odd prime numbers? Odd prime numbers. 3, 5, 7. These are the 3 single odd prime numbers, single digit odd prime numbers. Is there any else? No. One is not a prime number, though may be considered odd. Similarly, 9 is not a prime number, correct? So these 3 remain. Now I have to take first average of them. So length 1. So she has cut a sheet of paper in 3 pieces. So first length is this divided by 3 because I have to take average. So 3 plus 5 plus 7, this is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 by 3 is 5. So I get L1 is equals to 5. Then let's do another. Length of the second piece is equal to that of first. So L2 is equals to L1 plus 1/3 of the length of the third. Correct. So L2 is equals to L1 plus L3 by 3. This is fine. Then the third piece is as long as the other two pieces together. That means L3 is equals to L1 plus L2. Now you have all the equations. You have 3 equations sort of, and you know the value of L1. So basically 2 equations, 2 unknown. Simply you can solve this. How you can solve this? You can put this value of L2 here because you know the value of L1 already. So L3 also you will get to know. So let's find it. Okay, now this is what? This is L3. L1 is what? L1 is 5. L2 is what? L2 is L1 plus L3 by 3. Sorry. Yes. So this is L2. This is L2. Now L1's value also we know, that is again 5. So 5 plus 5, 10 plus L3 by 3 is equals to L3. Now I can send it there. So this becomes 2L3 by 3 is equals to 10. How many times this will go? 1 time, 5 times, and L3 came out to be 3 into 5, that is 15. You got the value of L3. Now you can put it here. So what you will get? You will get L2 is equals to L1 is 5, L3 is what? 15. So 15 by 3 goes 5 times, 5 plus 5 is 10. So L2 came out to be 10. Now you have all the values. L2 is equals to 10, L1 is equals to 5, and L3 is equals to 15. You need to tell the length of the entire sheet. That means sum of all 3 of them. So this becomes 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 15, 30 units. That's it. Then let's do the next one. Now this is also easy. You can pause and try. What it says, a family has 2 children along with their parents. Okay, so there are 2 children. Let's call them C1, C2, and parents. So mother, father. Now the average weight of the children and their mother is 50 kg. So average weight of children and mother. Now you are expert in this. So C1 plus C2 plus mother. Now average is given, sum is equals to average into number. Average is what? 50. This average is for how many people? 1 2 3. So 50 into 3. Similarly, the average of the weight of the 2 children and their father is 52 kg. Okay, so C1 plus C2 plus F is equals to 52 into 3. This is fine. Now if the weight of father is 60 kg, Then what is the weight of the mother? Weight of mother is 60 kg. Okay, now let's just subtract these two equations. So what I'll get? Minus, 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 minus. C1, C1 cancel, C2, C2 cancel. What you get? You get mother minus. What is the weight of father? Father's weight is given to me 60. So m minus 60 is equals to, this is what? If I take 3 common, this is equal to what? 50 minus 52 minus 2. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Correct? Now I can send 60 there. So this becomes m is equals to 60 minus 6 or 54 kg. That means mother's weight is 54 kg. Simple two equations you had to solve. Just one thing more you needed to know, that is average is equals to, that is sum is equals to average into number. Nothing more. That's it for this one. Others we'll do in next session. Thank you.